Today, Governor Ron DeSantis has signed a bill into law that makes Florida's new condo safety regulations a little more lenient.
As the CBS 12 News I-Team has been reporting, condo owners have been struggling to keep up with special assessments. The cost of condo living has skyrocketed because of the legislation that passed after the Surfside tragedy.
Yeah, and the governor has talked a lot about revising those condo laws so people can actually afford to stay in their homes, especially seniors on fixed incomes.
But I do think that the final product that emerged shows that the people's voices were heard on this, the concerns were heard. Wasn't just us.
Let's bring in I-Team Chief Mike Magnoli, who's in the newsroom, and will walk us through what this law does.
So the first thing that this law does is extend a deadline. Condo buildings were up against the clock. They had to get milestone inspections done by December of 2024, but December came and went, and a lot of buildings weren't in compliance. So now they have until the end of December 2025, and that is the flexibility that a lot of associations all over Florida were looking for. So that is some welcome relief there. Talk about some other big talking points when it comes to this law. Governor DeSantis signing it, and so that is going to give condo associations a break in reserve funding for 2 years immediately following a milestone inspection. That gives associations some wiggle room on meeting reserve requirements. So instead of assessing condo owners in one swoop, telling owners you've got to pay up now, or you can see your monthly fees go up by the thousands, boards can take out a line of credit or a loan, and that's something that can be paid back over time. So frankly, that's an easier pill to swallow for condo owners. The post-Surfside laws passed in 2022 and they were slightly modified in 2023, but this is a much bigger, significant relief measure, if you will. You could even call this a remedy because condo living has become incredibly expensive. Really, it's like an obstacle course now. Earlier this month, I showed you a condo community in Boynton Beach where assessments went up dramatically, thousands and thousands of dollars for each owner, and the board was working on a major repair project across the entire complex. Well, some owners thought they should question if the work was totally necessary or if it was overkill. This law goes into effect on July 1st. You know, some of the condo owners that I've been talking with for the I-Team series on this subject have said that they wanted to see the Surfside laws totally repealed. That certainly was not going to happen in this legislative session, but what this law accomplishes is giving them a break, and they were really looking for that. I'm Mike Magnoli, CBS 12 News.